Australia's housing market is facing some serious challenges, and the latest research highlights a concerning trend. A recent study, the 2025 Price Out Report, indicate that a household needs to earn at least 130,000 a year to comfortably cover the costs of renting an average unit in Australia. This news is troubling, especially for those who earn less. For example, individuals on a 70,000 salary are often forced to spend more than 50% of their income on rent, while even those earning 100,000 face difficulties in areas like Sydney and Perth. In fact, one nurse in Sydney has a daily commute of 3 hours just to reach her workplace due to soaring housing costs. The ramifications of this housing crisis go beyond personal finances. They are affecting community as a whole. Many people are delaying life-changing decisions, such as marriage and starting a families, and some are even considering leaving their support networks behind to seek more affordable housing. So what action can be taken to tackle this issue? Housing advocates are pushing for increasing investment in social housing and an end to tax breaks for property investors, which tend to inflate prices. With election approaching, there is a growing movement to prioritize housing reform. If you're dealing with rental challenges or looking for affordable accommodation option, we encourage you to explore our resources guide available via the link below.